everybody. In your exams, you would be getting a portion of grammar also. And in grammar, the topics that have been enlisted are determiners, tenses, and rearrangement of words. It's jumble words. You have to arrange them, rearrange them, and form correct sentences. And you can also get things like modals. You can get okay, you had done them already. So we would just be revising a little bit of grammar, because whatever grammar you would be getting in your exam, it is going to be 10th based only. So there's nothing new that is going to come for you. Okay, just ask the students to come and sit here, because there's no teacher in the joining class. Let's talk about determiners. Determiners you've already done in your 10th class, and yesterday we talked about them also. So one category, there are 6 categories of determiners. The first one is articles. What are articles? Articles कौन से होते हैं पता है आपको? ठीक है, an and the, and they are and are, they are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. What is the difference between indefinite and definite? Definite means when you're talking about a particular thing, a particular person, or a particular animal. For example, this is the pen. This is the pen that I bought yesterday. Okay, this is the pen. मतलब क्या हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? I'm talking about this particular pen that I had bought yesterday. Okay, and when we're talking about and they are indefinite articles. और उसमें anything an apple, a book, a pencil. So these things are very basic and very general, and you've already done them. You have been doing them since your class 5 or 6 onwards. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Class 1 से कर रहे हो आप तो. ठीक है. So and the, and then we have adjectives. So in determiners we get to have so many adjectives. For example, adjectives of quantity. ठीक है, quantitative adjectives. For example, any, some. So you would not be asked a question like fill in the blanks with the adjectives of quantity. No. Any, some, much, little, a little, the little. अभी हम वो भी discuss करेंगे. A good deal of, a great deal of. No. No is also an adjective of quantity. ठीक है. And then yes, no, no, no. ठीक है, adjective of quantity. ठीक है. We have adjectives of number. ठीक है, which you can count. For example, any, some हमने पहले भी करे हैं, वो भी quantitative भी हैं, वो adjectives of number भी हैं. Then we have each and every. We'll discuss the difference between the two. Then we have either, neither, few, a few, the few. Okay, both, and many, more, most. Then a lot of, lots of, and also numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the numbers. Another is also an adjective of number. Then we have several, enough, and other, another. ठीक है, ये सब हैं आपके adjectives of number. Then we have demonstrative. For example, I'm demonstrating this. This is the desk. ठीक है, that, this, that. ठीक है, that's a door. ठीक है, which everybody opens and just barges in. ठीक है. Then these are the students. ठीक है, these, those, this and that. Okay. Then we have interrogative. Yes, WH family, and how, and what, which, whose, whichever, whatever. And then we have possessive adjectives. So there are 6 categories. Then we have, please close the door, neighbor. Possessive adjectives, for example, my, your, my, this is my book, this is my class. Okay? I never wanted this class to be so huge, but then I cannot help it. Then my, your, his, her, their, our. Okay? So these all are what? Possessive adjectives. So we have discussed 6 categories. Number 1 is articles. Then we said adjectives of quantity. Then we talked about adjectives of number. Then we said possessive adjectives. Then we had distributive, adjective, demonstrative, and then we talked about interrogative. Okay? And articles we had already discussed. What is the difference between indefinite and definite articles? Okay? Then we have discussed the use of the also, and we have discussed the use of a and an. And then we have omission of the article. For example, before plural common nouns we don't use. When they are used in a general sense, we don't use any article. For example, children are fond of stories. We don't say the children are fond of stories. Okay, we say children are fond of stories. So these are plural common noun. Common noun है ना children, और plural है child का plural children होता है. So but they're used in a general sense. So we don't use any article with them. Omission of the article. Neither a, neither an, nor an, or the. Nothing is used. Okay, and before proper nouns also we don't use. Proper noun example बताओ. Before proper
We
nouns.
don't say the
name
the
Name
Indira
क्या?
Gandhi, the Taj Mahal.
हाँ, we don't say that. ठीक है, and then we don't use them before. We don't use them before abstract. Give an example. Yes, we say beauty is short-lived, but we don't say the beauty. We say time is money. We don't say the time is money. ठीक है, so ये आपको कुछ चीजें पता ही हैं, ये आपने पहले पढ़ी हुई. Then what is the difference between each and every? What is the difference between each and every? Each और every में क्या फर्क होता है? Each भी आपने सुना हुआ है, every भी सुना हुआ है. Yes, very good, Kanika. Each one and
You're
every.
talking about an individual and
Per
every
head.
you're talking about
very
a
specific.
yeah.
Yes. See, both talk about two or more persons, but when the number is definite, we say each. Okay, for example, each member of the family had dinner. Okay, हर एक member ने dinner किया. And every is used when we speak about two or more persons, but when the number is indefinite. For example, every man should do his duty. Number defined नहीं है, definite नहीं है, indefinite. ठीक है, so this is the difference between each and every. What is the difference between some and any? Some और any में क्या difference होता है बच्चे? ठीक है, indefinite quantity या indefinite persons के साथ, number of persons के साथ हम use करते हैं, हम some use करते हैं. Actually any is used in a negative sense. ठीक है, any हम negative sense में use करते हैं, any हम questions में भी use करते हैं. ठीक है, interrogative sentences में भी हम क्या use करते हैं? Any. For example, the teacher gave him some books. तो ये positive statement है कि negative है? Positive है ना? ठीक है, the teacher gave him some books. कुछ books दी ना. ठीक है, but if I say did the teacher give him any books, this is an interrogative. Question हो गया ना? जो question sentence है वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Interrogative. तो did the teacher give him any books, ये question हो गया, तो इसमें क्या आएगा? Some नहीं आएगा, क्या आएगा? Any आएगा. The teacher did not give him any books. नेगेटिव हो गया, तो हम यहाँ पे सम नहीं यूज करेंगे, क्या यूज करेंगे? एनी यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, पर मगर सम को हम कभी कभी इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में भी यूज कर लेते हैं, बट व्हेन द स्पीकर एक्सपेक्ट्स और यू कैन से व्हेन द स्पीकर विशेस सम काइंड ऑफ एन अ पॉजिटिव आंसर, तब हम सम यूज कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, डिडंट ही गिव यू सम मनी, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि कुछ तो पैसे उसने दिए होंगे अगर तुमने मांगे तो. ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू एक्सपेक्टिंग और व्हेन यू आर विशिंग अ पॉजिटिव आंसर, then you can use some also in नहीं, बट मैंने आपको वैसे बताया जनरली. ठीक है, then what is the difference between much and many? Very simple. much और many में क्या difference होता है बच्चे? एक मिनट रुक जाओ सर, ये ऑनलाइन भी है. much is used to denote quantity and many is used to denote number. much, she has much gold. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी she has many gold. ठीक है, ये काउंट नहीं कर सकते हम इसको. she has many coins in her purse. many is countable. ठीक है, इसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. and much is uncountable. एक क्वांटिटी के लिए है और एक नंबर के लिए. नंबर को आप काउंट कर सकते हो ना. ठीक है, I can count the number of coins in my purse. So I have many coins in my purse. That means it is countable and many can be used here. ठीक है, but she has much gold. ठीक है, समझ आ गई बात आपको? अगर मैं गोल्ड सेट्स की बात करूं तो मैं कह सकती हूँ मैनी गोल्ड सेट्स. बहुत सारे सेट्स हैं उसके पास. ठीक है, मगर गोल्ड की अगर सिर्फ मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो आई कैनॉट से मैनी गोल्ड. ठीक है, मतलब वो क्वांटिटी को डिनोट कर रहा है, नंबर को नहीं. ठीक है, गॉट इट? एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट लिटिल, अ लिटिल, द लिटिल एंड फ्यू, अ फ्यू, अ फ्यू, द फ्यू. इनमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है? लिटिल, अ लिटिल, द लिटिल. द beggar has little money मतलब the beggar has little money. Online students, what do I mean by this? If I say the beggar has little money, yes, very less, hardly any. Little means so you can write it down because you will not remember it. Write down the difference between little, a little, the little and few, a few, the few. ये लिख लो, आपको याद नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि ये हर साल आप करते हो पर याद तो नहीं रहता है आपको. ठीक है, so little means hardly any, You can write the example also. The beggar has little money. Little means hardly any money, बिल्कुल ना के बराबर, ठीक है? And a little means some, थोड़ा सा, but not much. Okay? Little means hardly any, a little means some, but not much. For example, I say, please give me a little milk. मतलब थोड़ा सा. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी hardly any, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब थोड़ा सा तो चाहिए ना मुझे. Please give me a little milk. And the little means not much, but all of that much. ज़्यादा नहीं, पर जितने की भी बात कर रहे हैं, उस सारे के सारे की, सारे का सारा वो. ठीक है? For example, he wasted the little time he had. मतलब उसके पास बहुत थोड़ा टाइम था, मगर जितना भी था उसने वो सारा का सारा वेस्ट कर दिया. नॉट मच बट ऑल ऑफ दैट मच. ठीक है? दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द थ्री. यू कैन राइट द एग्जांपल्स एंड यू विल फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस योरसेल्फ. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आई टोल्ड यू, द बेगर हैज लिटिल मनी. ठीक है? सेकेंड, प्लीज गिव मी अ लिटिल मिल्क. थर्ड, ही वेस्टेड द लिटिल टाइम ही हैड. तो डिफरेंस क्या बताया मैंने आपको? लिटिल का मतलब क्या है? हार्डली एनी. अ लिटिल का मतलब क्या है? इट इज पॉजिटिव. लिटिल नेगेटिव साइड में चला जाता है. अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव है कि थोड़ा सा तो है, सम बट नॉट मच. एंड द लिटिल मीन्स नॉट मच बट ऑल ऑफ दैट मच. गॉट इट? And what is the difference between few, a few, the few? Same difference, but little, a little, the little denotes quantity, or few, a few, the few denotes number. ठीक है? For example, few means not many, but or hardly any. For example, he has few critics. लिख लो ये बच्चे, लिख लो, नहीं याद रहेगा आपको. पेन नहीं है तो वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है. ठीक है? बहुत ही करना है. ठीक है? He has few critics means he doesn't have many critics, means he hardly has any critics. मतलब ज़्यादा लोग उसको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करते हैं, ज़्यादा लोग मतलब उससे सहमति है जो भी वो कहता है या लिखता है या करता है. ठीक है? So he hardly has any critics. So this means few. A few means again some. Some he spoke a few words. मतलब पॉजिटिव में जा रहा है, पॉजिटिव में जा रहा है. कुछ शब्द तो बोले ना उसने. He spoke a few words. ठीक है? The few means what? Not many, but all of them. ठीक है? He sold the few things he had. जितनी भी चीजें थी उसके पास, बहुत थोड़ी सी चीजें थी, पर वो सारी की सारी उसने, जितनी भी थी उसने सारी की सारी बेच दी. He sold the few things he had. The only difference between little, few is the of quantity and number. बाकी difference वही है. Little, a little, the little, whatever difference we have discussed, the same difference is between few, a few, and the few. Only difference is, in the previous case, it denotes quantity, but in few, a few, the few, it denotes none. ठीक है? Number. Got it? I'll read out some sentences, and from those sentences you can learn the use of determiners. ठीक है? How determiners are used. Number one, he spent a great, listen please. Okay, this is only for you people to listen. Okay, he spent a great deal of money in building the house. मतलब क्या हुआ? A great deal of. ये क्या है? Determiner है. ठीक है? इसका मतलब क्या है? A great deal of क्या का मतलब है यहाँ पे? What do you mean by a great deal of? Here, a large amount of, a considerable quantity of money. ठीक है? He gave me no answer. Determiner कौन सा है? He gave me no answer. No is a gun. ठीक है? No. There were tall trees on either side of the road. Online students, क्या है determiner बच्चे? There were tall trees on either side of the road. Yes, either, not side बच्चे. Either. Okay? Neither boy was intelligent. ठीक है? Neither. And both the brothers were hardworking. Both the brothers were hardworking. Both. You have to tell me which determiner is being used. I have read several novels by R.K. Narayan. Several. Online students, you also speak up. Several. Okay? Many a man. Now write this sentence. Write it. Many a man. Write it first, Harshvardhan. Write it first, then I'll tell you. Many a man has died for his country. Many a man. M-A-N, not M-E-N. Okay? Has died for his country. Now, many a, this is also a determiner, and it is followed by a singular noun. Man singular noun है ना? And takes a singular verb. Verb क्या use हुआ यहाँ पे? Has. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब है many men, मतलब तो यही है. If I say many men have died for their country, or I say many a man has died for his country, मतलब वही है, but it's the difference is in the use, कैसे use करना है इसको. many a जहाँ पे use होगा वो singular noun के साथ use होगा और वो क्या लेगा, singular verb. ठीक है, so if I say many a man, I cannot say many a men, no. ठीक है, many a can only be used with a singular noun and I have to use a singular verb also. Many a man has died for his country. ठीक है, she spends a lot of money on clothes. Determiner बताओ. A lot of means she spends much money. ठीक है, lots of people could get tickets to see the film. Lots of. I need more time to do this. More. Those who have the most money are not always the happiest. Most. Please show me another book. Another. My brother lives on the other side of the street. We have enough food for 10 people. Okay? Enough, yes. So enough, it may follow or it may precede its noun. For example, we have enough food for 10 people, तो food से पहले मैंने use किया है enough. We have food enough for 10 people. ठीक है, noun के बाद भी use कर सकते हैं इसको. Noun से पहले it can follow or it can precede its noun. Precede मतलब उससे पहले, follow मतलब उसके बाद. ठीक है, we can also say we have food enough for 10 people. तो food noun है ना, उसके बाद में भी use कर सकते हैं. It can also follow its noun. Got it? This book is very interesting. This, okay, this is a demonstrative adjective. I did not like that film. That. These mangoes are sweet. These. Those boys are hardworking. Those. What is that? What? Which pen is yours? Which? Whose camera is this? Whose? Take whatever steps you consider best. Whatever. Whichever way you do it, it is sure to be wrong. Whichever. My ambition in life is to become a doctor. My. I told you possessive adjectives. My. What is your father? His friend, yes. His friend lent him some money. His. She didn't boast of her wealth. The horse broke its leg. Yes. We should obey our teachers. Are. They know their duty. There. Okay? So now you have to tell me, fill in the blanks with some or any. आपको तो वहाँ पे question आएगा, fill in the blanks with suitable determiner if it counts. ठीक है, आपको determiners भी आएंगे, ठीक है, आपको आ सकते हैं. Then you can get fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs. That means you have to use the correct tense. ठीक है, you can be asked question on reordering of sentences also. Jumbled words उनको correct करके sentence ठीक से करना है. और modals भी आ सकते हैं. Whatever your grammar you have done in 10th, anything can come. ठीक है. Now tell me, fill in the blanks with either some or any. Online students, you will type your answer, and offline students, you will speak up. The ration shop did not have dash sugar, so I came without it. Yes, online students, type it. Any. Yes, good. Why is it that I always have Shivani or Harshvardhan answering? बाकी सब भी आंसर करोगे. Yes, any. The beggar doesn't have dash money. The beggar, बेटे मैंने some और any बोला है. The beggar does not have dash money. Any, yes. Can I have dash coffee? Can I have dash coffee? Some, yes. My friend asked, now next one, there are two blanks, okay? My friend asked for dash money, but I didn't have dash. Yes, so you will have some and any. Okay, some in the first blank and any in the second one. Would you lend me dash books? This is a request. Yes, some. Okay, fill in the blanks with much or many now. How dash rice do you need? How much? Because it is quantitative. Quantity. How much rice? It is not denoting number. Okay, how much rice? What is it that you want to discuss? Last point. क्या discuss कर रहे हो बेटा? How dash boys are present in the class? How many? I haven't dash time. Much time. So this is simple, very simple, okay? He made dash mistakes in his letter. Many. How dash stories does this book contain? How many, not much, beta. How many stories does this book contain? And how dash milk do you drink every day? How much? Okay. Now you have to fill in the blanks with suitable determinants. Okay. Have you dash money to buy a car? Now do not restrict yourself to only some, any, much, many. We have discussed so many determiners. Think of them and tell me. Online students, you also have to type your answer. Have you dash money to buy a car? Yes, enough can be there. Have you enough money to buy a car? Dash students should work hard. Next one, second. Dash students should work hard. All students. Students है ना, every तो student होता. All students should work hard. Yes. Every के साथ students नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? Whoever wrote every यहाँ नहीं आ सकता. Every student should work hard. Not every students. तो यहाँ पे all आएगा. ठीक है? Dash man should do dash best. Dash man should do dash best. Every man should do his best. ठीक है? Every man should do his best. Okay? तो बस थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया था. Dash husband and wife are intelligent. Both. I cannot write. Yes. Write, online students. Next one. I cannot write with this pen. So give me dash one. Give me another one. Yes. Children come out with dash lame excuse. Children come out with dash lame excuse. Many नहीं आएगा. Many lame excuse नहीं आएगा. Children come out with their lame excuse. लिख रही आकृति. Anything else that can come? Children come out with dash lame excuse. There नहीं आएगा. There नहीं आएगा बेटा. अगर there होता तो excuses होता वो. ठीक है ना? A lot of lame excuse नहीं आएगा ना. Think of it. Children come out with dash lame excuse. Such no. Many आ सकता है. Many a. Children come out with many a lame excuse. मैंने आपको बताया ना, many a के singular noun लिखता है. ठीक है ना? Many a lame excuse. Next. Dash team could score a goal. Dash team could score a goal. Very simple. You can use any determiner here. Their team, our team, this team, that team, कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. मैंने तो आपको restrict किया ही नहीं है. ठीक है? There is dash milk. Yes, right. There is dash milk in the milk pot to make a cup of tea. There is dash milk in the milk pot to make a cup of tea. Yes, enough. Dash water that was in the pot has been spilled. अब मैंने आपको डिफरेंस बताया था. अब यहाँ पे मुझे करेक्ट आंसर चाहिए. Dash water that was in the pot has been spilled. The little water. Yes, the little water that was in the pot has been spilled. ठीक है? So this is about determiners. You can revise tenses also. You can revise jumble words. You can revise editing, omission, anything that whatever you have done in your 10th class, anything can come out of that for your grammar. Okay? So let me just take your attendance.